my name is Gayatri and today I will show you my new paper printout dollhouse. If you can see here is written paper dollhouse. I have inspired this dollhouse by the Pink World, and there is written Pink doll. At the back side there is a window and there is also written Pink World. Okay, I have inspired this dollhouse from that channel. I saw all the videos, all the new one and all the videos which she has made before of new videos. So I have seen all of the videos and I love that channel. I saw all the videos and I subscribe it and like it. I am sure that you have also seen so many quiet books in the market and in the YouTube videos. I have also seen, but this quiet book I have made it homemade and it is just a printout. Otherwise, I have made it by cutting and pasting all the things. Let's see what I have made. Here is a dollhouse. Here is a doll with a cup. Here is the cloud, a heart and a star. Here is the channel's name which we have taken the printout. There are some flowers, bushes and leaves. If you are liking it, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our new videos. So let's get started. In the front, first is the bedroom, second is the bathroom, there is a kitchen and the dining room and hall room combined. And where is the wardrobe, where is the dressing room, where is our doll? How can we play without these things? Here are they all. Here is the doll inside of these little tents. Here is one doll. Her name is Julia and her name is Cherry. Her name is Ruby. Her name is Chloe and her name is Snowy. All the girls are so beautiful. Let's play with some. We are going to take all the dolls and keep it aside. Close the tent. Here are the clothes of the beautiful dolls. First, if we have to play with it, let's dress up firstly. First, this doll has to go to the bath. Let's keep her in the tub so she can bath. Snowy needs some beautiful clothes. We will make her wear this one. It is her favorite frock. Wear it, Snowy. And she wants to do some entertainment, so she will go in the hall room and watch some TV with her favorite toy. And here is Chloe. Chloe wants to study. She loves to study so much. She goes to the college. We will give her a night suit because sometimes she studies late night also. We will keep her in the study table here. Here is a book and a candle and they both are removable. We can take out and place it also. I love this dollhouse so much. And here is another doll named Ruby. We are going to dress up like her swimsuit. Her swimsuit. Her swimsuit is yellow. We are going to make her wear these yellow clothes. And these yellow shoes also. How it is suiting on her? Look. She will work in the kitchen. They all age are 24 years old. They all are, but she is 18 years old. By the way, she is so bigger girl in our all doll house. She is 30 years old. That's why she know how to do the work with the kitchen. So we will keep her in the kitchen. This doll is so beautiful and she needs to wear this one because it is her usual clothes which she always wear. Look, with this cute little bunny slippers. She will watch TV with her sister over here. And everything is sorted. But one problem is there. The doll needs to think that what she will make today. She has to make sandwiches, noodles, and so many things which we make in the kitchen. What she has to make? She will ask her sister. Her sister came in the kitchen. What do you want to eat? I want to eat some noodles. Okay, so she will make some noodles. But she can't make because she needs our help. Let's help her. First, we will take the pan because we cannot make noodles in the stove only. We need some utensils to make. We will take this and keep it here. Then we will open the fridge. There are two things which are so cold. We have to make them warm. There is a sandwich, but we cannot eat it because it is so cold. We have to make it warm. But she has not asked for sandwich. She has asked for noodles. Let's take some noodles here. Oh, it has something missing. Maybe some spices. Let's take them. Some chili over here and some green thing from here, and okay, it's done. And let it cook. Otherwise we can help this doll. Okay, she cannot bath because she has to do some shampoo on her hairs. It is looking dirty. Let's help her. We will take shampoo, a beautiful new shampoo which she has ordered yesterday. Let's just help her. Done. Take some water and wash your hands first. It's good habit to wash your hands. Now take some water and clean her hairs. Do not forget to do that first. Okay? Wash your hands first. After that you can do everything which you want. Done. Take some more water. Done. It's so good. Okay, now she needs to wear new clothes. But first she will take a towel. Let's help her. She has taken a towel. Look. She will go to the dressing room. Now she will take this hoodie, which is her favorite one. Now her shoes, and done. Now she will help her sister to study. They both can study together. Sister, can you complete your work? Okay. This girl will sleep. Chloe. Sleep, Chloe. Her big sister will complete her work. She is doing her homework. She wants to eat noodles. Oh, noodles are ready. It's time to serve. Take your noodles and eat them. Here are the noodles, the good noodles. Now we will wash the utensils. Take some water. It is washed. Look how clean it is and shiny. Keep it in this area. Now she is going to do rest and she will bath. Okay. Go. Maybe she don't want to bath today. Take out her jacket and her shoes and make her wear this sleeping suit or night suit. Okay, done. Now she can sleep comfortably in the bed. Now it's time to eat. Give her some noodles so she can eat. Yummy! How tasty noodles! I like them. But I have to wash my hands after eating. let's go in the kitchen and wash her hands and her hands also. Wash your hands. It's done. Now, after playing, you can take out the clothes and keep it in the right place, like shoes and dresses. Don't forget to like. Keep it in the right place. So if you want it again, so you can take it easily. And after playing, keep your dolls in the straight line. And after that, and keep it all in the tent. And after playing, you can close it like this. First, hall room will go to the kitchen, kitchen to the bathroom, and they all will go in the bedroom. Then the doll tent will go like this in the drawer room. And after this, it goes here. And bye friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the more notifications of our new video in this channel. Bye. See you later.